Welcome to qnawire.
So we have 62 students total, and those students were polled, and the results for liking Mozart, Beethoven, and Haydn were recorded. So you can see I have a 3-ring Venn diagram. When possible, you want to start with this innermost region that I'm highlighting now. In that innermost region are the people who like all 3 musicians, and we're told that for this survey was 8 people. Now I'm going to move to the 2-zone regions. So for example, 14 like Beethoven and Haydn. Beethoven and Haydn is this overlap right here that I'm outlining in blue. 14 people have to be in that zone, but I already have 8. So this number is a 6. 20 like Mozart and Haydn. So Mozart and Haydn is this oval. I have 8 people in there. I need 20. So that's a 12. 14 like Mozart and Beethoven. So this is also a 6. Now I'm going to go to the single regions. 31 people like Haydn. I'm going to highlight Haydn in green. That's this circle. I need 31 people in that green circle. But right now I have 12, 8, and 6. So when I subtract those, I get 5 for Haydn only. In the Beethoven circle, similarly, I need 35, but I already have 6, 6, and 8. So this is 15. In the Mozart circle, I need 35, and I already have 12, 8, and 6. So this is 9. The last thing I want to do is figure out if there are any people outside my circles. So I had 62 students total. Now I'm going to add up the people in my circle. So 62 total minus the students in the circles. So when I add up 9, 15, 5, 12, 6, 6, and 8, I get 61. So that means I have 1 outside the circle. So there's a 1 here, and that student is the one who says he doesn't like any of those musicians. I can't see A through F, but hopefully now that you have this completed Venn diagram, you can answer those questions.